students, welcome in your science class. I am Kapsim is here for making your science easy. We get nutrition from food which we obtain from plants or animals. Mainly we take plant food, plants that grow in fields. Farmer work to grow that plants. What he do in the farms? He do lots of work in the farm. What is the plants that grow in field or farm called? It is called crop. And today we are going to start our new chapter, that is crop production. The name of our chapter is crop production. What is the science of growing this plant is called? The science that deals with growing crops and rearing animals for human use is called as agriculture. What is agriculture? The work of farmer is called as agriculture. What is the definition of agriculture? The science that deals with growing crop and rearing animals for human use is called agriculture. Agriculture began about 1200 years ago. Before that, humans were wandering food gatherers, ate raw foods and vegetables, and hunted animals for food. In early human, you have studied it. Early human wander for the food. He eat raw fruits and vegetables, and he hunt animals for its food. Then they discovered that by planting seed, they could grow plants from which they could get food. After discovery of germination of food, when they observe, early human observe how plant grow from seed, they started to growing plants for their food. This was the beginning of agriculture. Human no longer had to wander around in search of food. When early humans started agriculture, he had no need to wander for the food. They become farmers and settle in farming communities. When agriculture started, the early human became farmer, and the communities were going to settle down. They also started domesticating animals for food and other purposes. For the work of agriculture, they took the help of animals, and for many purposes they domesticate the animals. Today, nearly 40% of the world workforce is employed in agriculture. This number is higher in India at nearly about 60%. In India, 60% workforce is employed in agriculture. Agriculture changed very slowly until about 100 years ago. Since then, there have been tremendous advance, such as development of new varieties of plants and animals, use of fertilizers for yield, use of pesticides for protection of crops, and use of labor-saving machines such as tractor and harvesters. This has led to better crop and higher yielding. From 100 years, the great advanced technology is developed for agriculture. New technology has been used for the work of agriculture. Different fertilizers, pesticides are produced for growing the yield of crops. And several machines, labor saving machines are produced like tractor and harvester. This reduce the work of farmer. In India, this agriculture revolution, or it is called as green revolution also, began in 1960. 1960 में ये ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट हुआ है इंडिया में. As a result, production of food grains has increased several folds. इसे फूड ग्रेन्स जो है, क्रॉप्स जो है, वो इंक्रीज्ड हो गया है ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन की वजह से. Horticulture. What is horticulture? Horticulture is a branch of agriculture that deals with the production of vegetables, fruits, flowers and decorative plants. Horticulture is a branch of agriculture that deals with the production of vegetables, fruits, flowers and decorative plants. It is similar to agriculture in many ways, but is usually carried out on smaller scale. Horticulture जो है वो smaller scale में किया जाता है. इसके लिए good quality की soil necessary है. ये लगभग सेम ही है एग्रीकल्चर से, लेकिन सॉइल के क्वालिटी के हिसाब से ये स्मॉल स्केल में किया जाता है. Then we will see what are crops. Plants of one kind grown in a particular area or region during a particular period are called as crops. Or another definition for crop is when a large number of plants are grown at the same place for food. It is called as crop. You have to write down both the definition in your notebook. A large number of wheat plants grown in field make up crop of wheat. Cereals were the first crop known to be cultivated. सबसे पहले cereals को cultivate किया गया farms में as a crop. Cereals are tall grasses which are cultivated for their nutritious seeds called food grains. They provide the staple food for people in nearly every part of the world. Wheat and rice are the most important cereals in the world. Then we will see the types of plant. Many different kinds of crops are grown for food. They are classified according to the purpose for which they are grown. They are classified as food crops, plantation crops and cash crops. What are food crops? Crops grown as food for humans and animals are called as food crops. What are food crops? Crops grown as food for humans and animals are called as food crops. Then what are plantation crops? Crops grown in large eastern, often for sale in distant market are called as plantation crops. What are plantation crops? Crops grown in large eastern, often for sale in distant markets, are called as plantation crops. And then cash crops. What are cash crops? Crops grown mainly for profit and not for the use by farmer are called as cash crops. Crops grown mainly for profit and not for use by the farmer are called as cash crops. Crops can also be classified according to the season in which they are grown. In India, there are two main seasons for cultivating crops: winter season and summer season. According to these seasons, crops are classified into two groups: Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi crops are cultivated in winter season and Kharif crops are cultivated in summer season. Rabi crops are sown in winter. ये जो रबी क्रॉप्स है ये विंटर में सो किए जाते हैं, लगाए जाते हैं. They are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. वो रेडी कब होते हैं? समर सीजन के स्टार्टिंग तक. यस, अप्रैल से जून तक वो तैयार हो जाते हैं रबी क्रॉप्स. व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ रबी क्रॉप्स? wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard. These are some examples of rabi crops. Linseed is also example of rabi crop. Can you identify these crops? These are the example of rabi crop. It is wheat crop and it is mustard crop. Then kharif crops. Kharif crops are sown in monsoon season. They required lot of water. So they are sown at the beginning of southwest monsoon that start during the June or July. They are harvested after monsoon in October to December. When they are harvested? They are harvested in October to December after over the monsoon. And some examples of kharif crops are rice. It is also called as paddy. Maize, jowar, bajra, soya, cotton. These are some kharif crops. Now, can you identify these crops? Yes, these are kharif crops. It is maize crop and it is rice crop.